Is Westpac an international bank? That's a question we get a lot, especially from people with a global mindset. The short answer is both yes and no, and the full picture is more interesting than you might think. Westpac is an Australian-based bank, one of the biggest in the country. It has a significant presence in Australia and New Zealand, providing a full range of services from consumer banking to wealth management. But its operations definitely extend beyond those borders. Westpac has a strong institutional banking arm, with offices in major financial hubs around the world, like New York, London, and various locations across Asia. These international offices primarily serve corporate, institutional, and government clients with business interests in Australia and New Zealand. They handle things like foreign exchange, trade finance, and capital markets. So if you're a large company with ties to Australia, Westpac has a global presence to support you. Now, here's where the no part comes in for most people. While Westpac has a global network for its institutional clients, it doesn't offer a wide range of personal banking services, like day-to-day accounts or mortgages, to the general public in most other countries. You won't find a Westpac branch on a street corner in Paris or Tokyo. However, Westpac does have a presence in several Pacific Island nations, including Fiji and Papua New Guinea, where it offers a full suite of personal banking services. This is a legacy of its history and its regional focus. Even without a physical presence, Westpac does make it easier for its customers to bank internationally. It's part of the Global ATM Alliance. This is a network of major international banks, including Bank of America, Deutsche Bank, and Barclays, that allows customers to withdraw cash from participating ATMs with no fees. This is a great perk for Westpac customers traveling to the US, the UK, or parts of Europe. It saves you from those annoying foreign transaction fees, making your travel money go further. So, is Westpac an international bank? Yes, in the sense that it has a global reach for its corporate clients and offers international travel perks for its consumer customers. But no, if you're expecting to walk into a local branch for your everyday banking needs outside of Australia, New Zealand, and a few Pacific nations. It's a bank with a domestic heart and a global pulse, perfectly designed for a connected world where business and personal travel cross borders every single day.